Too often teams worry about whether Scrum initiatives are scalable, not whether they are valuable. But in Scrum, our priority is delivering value quickly. Just like in business, where most companies could double or triple their engagement by offering something of real value, a Scrum team should ensure every increment serves a purpose. In business, free PDF might seem exciting, but without a real, tangible value, it has a limited impact. Similarly, in Scrum, our output should provide the genuine benefits to stakeholders. We raise the value perception by delivering increments that solve real, specific problems. And just as targeted business giveaway appeals to qualified customers, our product increments should target real user needs. For example, imagine offering the 5 hours of one-on-one consultation to a stakeholder who is key to product success. Through this high-value engagement, not only do we build trust, but we make it easier to align on future work, since stakeholders can see firsthand the value Scrum delivers. When we give more, but ensure it aligns with clear qualifications, we naturally build a pipeline of high-impact, engaged stakeholders. In Scrum, value comes first, not scale. Aim to give more by ensuring it matters to those who need it most.